supper time. It's looking a little bit cloudy and everything, but it's about 7 o'clock. We're gonna have ourselves a supper. And what we're doing, we're cooking chicken patties, and we're gonna cook some ramen noodles, and we're gonna put veggies in them, and that's gonna be our supper tonight. This is a great thing, and I can't wait to flip these patties. Alright, this is the update on our cooking experience here. We're frying up. Oh, there's the noodles. We're cooking them up with all the veggies and everything. We're just kind of cooking them up. Later on, we'll separate out the water and the saltiness of it, because it's going to be mixed into the fried onions. We're frying up onions and green peppers. That's all going to be fried up, and the noodles are going to be put on it. And then we got these beautiful chicken patties that she diced up, and that's going in the whole thing. Oh my God, it's going to be delicious. Thank goodness we're ready for this.
I'm ready.
A 45-year-old stove is working beautiful. Roll back. Mixture. That's ramen noodles and onions and green peppers, a little bit of basil and parsley and pepper and garlic powder. Frozen veggies, and this is what we're gonna eat tonight. Look at that, huh? Alright, that's it. We're too busy now to talk.